In philosophy of the mind, the term qualia refers to the subjective aspects of conscious experience that cannot be fully explained or captured by objective description or analysis. The concept aims to address the what it's likeness of an experience. What is it like to see the colour red, to taste chocolate, or to feel pain? These are considered qualia, and they are inherently private and subjective, accessible only to the individual who experiences them. The term qualia has its origins in the Latin word for what sort or what kind. Philosophers have discussed the concept long before the term was coined, exploring the subjective dimensions of experience and their relationship to the physical world. The concept gained prominence in modern philosophy, especially in discussions about the mind-body problem, and the nature of consciousness and the limits of reductive materialism. The subject of qualia is closely tied to what the philosopher David Chalmers calls the hard problem of consciousness. While the easy problems in the philosophy of the mind include questions about brain function, information processing, and behavioural responses, all of which can be addressed empirically, the hard problem pertains to explaining why and how physical processes in the brain give rise to subjective experience. Qualia are often cited as the most perplexing aspect of this hard problem. The experience and nature of qualia have significant implications for various philosophical debates. At dualism versus materialism, the difficulty in explaining qualia may serve as an argument against materialism, which holds that everything is physical. Dualists argue that the subjective nature of qualia suggests a non-physical dimension to consciousness. At knowledge and epistemology, qualia presents challenges for our understanding of knowledge. For example, it's debated whether one can have knowledge of another person's qualia, given its inherently subjective nature. Functionalism and computationalism. These theories, which understand mental states in terms of their functional or computational roles, face difficulties in accounting for qualia, as they appear to be non-functional aspects of experience. And ethics and animal rights. If qualia are what make experiences good or bad for us, then understanding them is crucial for ethics, including the moral considerations of animals, who may also have subjective experiences. Some philosophers deny the existence of qualia, arguing that they are unnecessary constructs that don't contribute to our understanding of the mind. Others, like Daniel Dennett, assert that while experience exists, the concept of qualia is problematic because it's ill-defined or inconsistently applied. Overall, qualia remains a contentious and fascinating topic within the philosophy of the mind, serving as a focal point for discussions about consciousness, the limitations of physicalism, and the nature of subjective experience.